Are you looking for a place where you can manage, buy, sell, or rent a house or land? Your perfect solution is right here. Welcome to SomBuyandRent, the first property search engine and marketplace dedicated to the Somali-speaking world. Headquartered in Mogadishu, with offices in Kenya, Egypt, Turkey, the UK, and the USA, we connect buyers, sellers, renters, and landlords. From agency listings, land plots, commercials, new developers, residential hotels, short-stay apartments, property management, key holding, professional photography, and advisory services for the Somali diaspora, our platform has it all. Whether you're buying your dream home, renting a holiday apartment, or investing abroad, SomBuyandRent makes it all possible. Start listing your properties today and reach thousands of potential buyers and renters worldwide.